Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. In this episode we'll explore the taxonomical hierarchy, a foundational concept for NEET 2026 and beyond, from kingdom to species. We just learned it few episodes before this. We'll break down each rank and understand its role in organizing the incredible diversity of life. Stay with me as we uncover the hidden wisdom behind the science of naming and classifying organisms. Let's get started. Let's begin with the basics. Taxonomical hierarchy is the systematic arrangement of organisms into various levels of classification, from the most general group to the most specific. These levels include kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. But why do we need this system? First, it helps us organize the vast biological diversity on Earth. Second, it reflects evolutionary relationships. Organisms grouped together share common features and ancestry. Third, it allows easy identification and study, which is crucial for research and medicine. And finally, it offers a standard structure accepted globally, so scientists around the world speak the same biological language. In short, taxonomy makes the chaos of nature beautifully organized. Now let's look at the 7 primary levels of taxonomic hierarchy. They begin with the broadest category, the kingdom, and move step by step down to the most specific, the species. Let's take the example of humans. We belong to the kingdom Animalia because we are multicellular, eukaryotic, and heterotrophic. Our phylum is Chordata, as we have a notochord and a dorsal nerve cord. The class Mammalia, due to features like mammary glands and body hair. Order, primates, which includes animals with grasping hands and binocular vision. Family, Hominidae, the great apes, including gorillas, chimpanzees, and humans. Genus, Homo, the human genus. And finally, species, Sapiens, which identifies our specific type, the modern human. To help remember these levels, use this classic mnemonic: King Philip came over for good soup. Each word stands for a taxonomic rank, from kingdom to species. Comment the mnemonic you use to remember it. This topic which we are going to learn is bit out of NCERT. If you are curious, then let's go ahead. You might think taxonomy ends with just 7 ranks, but real-life biological diversity is far more complex. That's where intermediate categories come in. These are levels like subphylum, subclass, infrorder, and subspecies that help scientists classify organisms with greater precision. For example, when a group within a species shows consistent variations, but can still interbreed with the main species, it might be classified as a subspecies. This system becomes especially helpful in large, diverse groups like insects, birds, or cultivated plants. Take Triticum aestivum, the scientific name for common wheat. It has several subspecies, each adapted to different climates and uses. So, intermediate categories allow taxonomy to stay accurate and flexible in the face of Earth's incredible biodiversity. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this episode. Taxonomical hierarchy is the backbone of classification, with 7 main ranks: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. You can remember the order with a simple mnemonic: King Philip came over for good soup. Species is the most specific level. It tells us about organisms that can actually interbreed. And kingdom is the broadest, grouping millions of species based on basic traits. We also saw that taxonomy includes intermediate categories like subphylum and subspecies. These give scientists more flexibility when classifying complex groups. Mastering this hierarchy will give you a strong foundation for understanding biodiversity and scoring high in NEET biology. Alright biochamps, it's challenge time. Here's a tricky one to test your taxonomy skills. Can you arrange these 7 taxonomic categories from the broadest to the most specific? Drop your answers in the comments, and you can also send it to us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Let's see who gets it right and earns a special shout out in our next episode. Remember, quick thinking and accurate concepts always win. Good luck! Well done! You've just completed episode 8 on taxonomical hierarchy. I'm so proud of the progress you're making. But we're not done yet. Up next in episode 9, we'll explore the taxonomic categories in detail, from kingdom all the way down to species, with easy tricks and real NEET questions to help you nail this topic. So don't stop now, let's keep the momentum going. Check out the challenge question and message us your answers on WhatsApp or Telegram to get featured. Signing off. See you in the next episode.